What's up, everybody? I'm Danny DeVries with JEGS Products. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick unboxing of the JEGS Revolver Performance Kit. Now this kit is compatible with 1995 to 2003 7.3 liter Ford diesels. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. First thing that you're going to see is the owner manual and instruction manual. This is the manual for the Insight CTS2 in here, as well as the EAS and Revolver kit. Next in the box we have the 5-inch CTS2 display screen, the 6-tune Revolver chip, USB cord for updates, 2 cables here. This cable here goes from your EAS to your OBD2 HDMI port, and this cable here plugs into the Revolver chip. And we've got our HDMI OBD2 cable, some zip ties, alcohol swabs, and the EAS accessory cap. And last but not least, we have the suction cup mount for the CTS2 monitor and display screen. The all-new 6-position JEGS Revolver chips for the Ford 7.3 diesel can now be controlled by the Insight CTS2. Change the power levels with your chip using the touchscreen of the Insight CTS2. The new kits will include the Revolver chip, the Insight CTS2, and the new EAS Revolver cable that allows the Insight to connect to the chip. The 6-position chip offers adjustable horsepower up to 140 horses. Some of the key features is a plug-in performance chip to operate with your specific 7.3 box code, shift on-the-fly power levels with the Insight CTS2, full in-cab state-of-the-art digital gauges, up to 6 options for performance. This includes a stock tune, high idle, 50, 75, 100, and 140 horsepower. The best part about this kit is not only does it give you the optimum horsepower and performance, it also gives you extreme savings. To find out more about the Insight CTS2 Revolver kit from JEGS, go to jegsproducts.com.